So we're going to take a look at a smart cabinet lock. And I did receive this so I could take a look at it and test it out. It is from the Vertex Tech company, and it's looks like it's a pretty simple device, but a smart cabinet lock. So a way to keep your cabinet locked, and it says that it comes with a RFID card. So we're going to take a look at what's in here. A couple of sticky pads. So the looks like the main contraption here. Screws on a metal plate. Card. 2 cards in here. Instruction book. A lot of things that I work with, I kind of ignore the instruction book, but looking at what I just got out of the box, I think I'll be looking at the instruction book for this one and seeing how to install it and get it set up. I'll show all that to you as we go, and then I'll test it out and tell you how well I think it works.
Jimmy Donaldson. I don't know a Jimmy Donaldson.
So downloading the app is where you're going to get started, and you want to do this even before you put the batteries into the lock. Once you have the app, then you can put the batteries in, and it's going to be a Bluetooth connecting device. So you will connect to it and be able to open and close it, really, is what you're going to do through the app. You can also do a couple other things in terms of setting up the app, and this is also where you can match up the cards, the RFID cards, to be able to open the lock. So installing it, I did a bit of measuring, and I'm installing this in an old desk, and one of the sides opens as almost kind of a cabinet. And so I decided it would be a neat place to install this lock. And so I did a little bit of figuring and measuring, and the lock does come with a template you can use. But for my purposes, I found the little ruler I used to actually work for what I needed to be able to put the lock into the right place and determine exactly how it should fit. So I wanted to make sure that it was going to strike in the right place and have room to not only to lock but to close and to be able to open then. And so all of this is part of measuring your space and inserting it. So you can do this in a drawer or a cabinet door that opens to the side. Mine's a pretty unusual application here in how it opens outward. And as you can see then, I put some tape to guide me on it in terms of putting the smaller piece at the top, and this is what catches the lock. And so they all come with tape, and you can put them up with their tape and then put screws in it for extra strength if you choose to do that. I found it to be pretty strong as it was, even without screws in it. But certainly if you're going to be securing something with lots of importance, then the screws, I think, are going to be a good idea. So here it is locked, and me trying the RFID card on it, and you see it pops open and it makes a little beeping sound. Now it is locked, and I think that's a pretty neat application. All right, so with this lock installed, we are going to show how it works here. Locked. I put the little tag there to show where to put the card. There's the beep. And open. And the way it locks is it relocks itself, but it's like a door. It closes like a door, so it's going to close even though it's in lock mode. And once it's closed, it stays closed. You can also unlock it with your phone through the app. But I think the RFID cards are really cool.
Jimmy Donaldson. That name sounds familiar.